get down tonight, baby. My heart's just like an oven. Oh, I need your loving, baby. I think I'm capsizing. Oh, the ways I'm rising and rising. When I get this feeling, I want sexual healing, sexual healing. It makes me feel so fine. It helps to relieve the mind. Sexual healing, it's good for me. Sexual healing, it's something that is so very good for me. Whenever this blue teardrops are falling and my emotional stability is leaving me, there is something I can do. Oh, I can get on the telephone and call you up, baby. Darling, I know you'll be there to relieve me of the love you give to me. Will free me. So if you don't know the things you're dealing, well, I can tell you, darling.